target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, I want to show you what I said on my June 13 Netflix about Netflix. I actually posted two plans, DIS and Netflix. And on Netflix, the superstar, I actually said that you can hear it very clearly in my video. Now, I don't know if you're going to hear it, but I'm going to play a little bit. You can see me. I actually live built the plan for everything about Netflix, okay? And then, of course, I posted the confirmation inside of PowerGroupTrades. Let me show you what I mean. So right now, I'm going to play the video, people. All right, people. So what I'm gonna do now is, I mean, if you've got to actually, I'm gonna put the video for you to see. But what I did is I built the plan live. Okay, let's go into the full screen here. So I built the plan live. It's a bit unclear, but and you can actually see it in the video. Okay, and these are I said Netflix is set up to test 410 to 430. The July 20th 380 calls could be used. That's right, people. So here they are. Now, at the time, the options cost $2,000 a piece, about $2,100 a piece. Okay. Okay, at the time, and so you can see that here. Now, I'm going to post again the video link inside of this video. I'll show you what I mean. Let me just close this. Just give me a second. And as you can see, this video got live stream got 58 likes and 9. These are what I call my stock clowns. You know, the people that can't stand that I'm always right, the big picture. You know, so those are the people who only thumbs down. But again, more people are happier. You know, the stock clown always negative, wrong Netflix since 300. I mean, you know, yeah. 300s, 240s. I mean, just old world thinking out to lunch. No comparison. 279 views to my live stream, to the smart people crying that if they didn't get into Netflix now, no, they know who's the big picture expert. All right, before we go into power group trades, let me show you the closing price so far. Now, this is still going to be going higher, right? But we can see that Netflix goes at 404.90, so almost, you know, $5 away from one of my targets. And then we're going to go look at, here's the July 20th calls, okay? And we're going to go look at the 3. Now, you can see they're almost at well, we didn't pay, you know, $2,100, right? Because you had to pay a bit more, but they're almost up 100% on large priced options. This is great, called great investment advice. You know, you think penny stock traders can do stuff like this? No. Old world thinkers can do stuff like this? Absolutely not. Absolutely not can they do this. Let me show you what I mean before we go to Power Group Trade. All right, people, here's Power Trigger Trade Confirmation Key. You can see this here particular, Mark W. Yusko. When I'm wrong, I say I'm wrong. I was wrong. Netflix clearly. Anyways, these are what I consider, like I said, old world thinkers. A lot of people think that these people who have, there's so many old world thinkers, and I said, like Peter Brandt, that they do not have the skill that comes close to in this new era. They are out to lunch. Proof right over here. While yours truly making big picture world skills, this was easy to hold. Let me show you the confirmation side of Power Group Trades together, people. All right, people. So here we are inside of Power Group Trades, okay? And here I said Netflix confirming with the July 20 380 calls at $2,400. So here's the plan I posted in here, June 14th. Let's click it. Let's take a look here. And as you can see here, Netflix needs to break above 385 to confirm. Well, you know what it did. It broke 385 to confirm. And basically, you know, these were the options here. You can see they right over here is the arrow, right? But in the live stream, I explained it. And again, on June 14th, 14th. This confirmed. Let me close this here. Also, we made great gains in Tesla flying. Then also the discipline. This one hasn't done very well right now, but I mean, compared to the gains, it's a joke really, compared to all the other gains. But it's still in play as those are July calls. But here is the superstar. Netflix confirmed with the July 2380 calls at 2400. I've also was able to get even better option prices for this as well. But that's what I posted. We're going to go by the reference number. Easily, you had to pay more. As you can see, the options were about $2,100, and you had to pay about $300 more on the confirmation. Also, another stock that was doing really well is Ruco over here. You can see all the positive things I posted about all our great gains and stuff like that. All right, people. Welcome to PowerGroupTrades Confirmation Ski. That's right, people. Listen up, people. Listen up. You want to study my created playlist, okay? And to become a member inside of PowerGroupTrades, you know, I do live streams usually on Wednesday, okay? Wednesday at around 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? Because I'm in Canada. And this is a live stream. If you want to know how to become a member, usually I will be explaining in my live streams how to become a member inside of PowerGroupTrades, because I only want the serious people. There's a lot of clowns out there. They don't deserve to be members inside of my group. I got great members sending me lots of gifts. Power Trick or Trade, people. Power Trick or Trade, just ruling. So get yourself, you know, I'm going to post this live stream right inside the video, okay, for you to go and see. Go and listen to the big picture experts speak. Always listen to the big picture experts speak, because there's no one like me. There absolutely isn't, people. There absolutely is not. They don't put the heart and soul, you know, everything into it, like yours truly, Power Trick or Trade. So people, if you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Subscribe manually. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. I'm going to tell you right inside this video what to do. Let's see what I say. All right, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on PowerGroupTrades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions, and I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Now let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.